Oh, it smells of smoke. So, first, this is our room in... Do you know which hotel we're in? I'll put the hotel up now. In, hey, Budapest, Hungary. It is very small, compact, yeah. I wasn't expecting this. I think this is a deluxe room. But anyway, this is the room. We're very appreciative for what we've got. But it is very small, so we have, yeah, some water, which is lovely, and a coffee machine, and oh, it's so cute, a lamp, and TV, and obviously heating facilities or cooling facilities. Actually, the bathroom is maybe a bit bigger than the room, so a toilet, heated bath rail, wonderful size shower, which looks really nice, and a gorgeous man. And
quite nice, isn't it?
yeah, it is very nice. Yeah.
Full length mirror.
What can we see up here? Nothing at all, but there's a window there. Where's the full length mirror? Oh, here. Yeah, so very nice. Yeah. Another nice room.